Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for D2C products. So D2C stands for direct to consumer, and I run a cosmetic products business, and to market my business I use Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, I want to send a message to that particular lead on WhatsApp. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is WhatsApp Cloud API. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads. So I have a cosmetic products business, and to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I've also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically to that particular lead, a WhatsApp message should be sent. And for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now to begin with the process, I'm going to search for pabbly.com/connect. So as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you're an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you're a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly apps page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application, and if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, so I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook leads to WhatsApp. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook leads to WhatsApp. Now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for D2C products, where D2C stands for direct to consumer. And as you can see over here, I have selected a folder named as Facebook leads to WhatsApp, which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And now we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this. And here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant, and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And then select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to select our page, and it says please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions, and then reconnect your account. Let's click on this, and I have named my Facebook page as Regal Radiance. So let's search for Regal Radiance. Let's select this. So as we have selected our Facebook page, now moving ahead, we have to select our lead gen form. And it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this. And I have named my lead gen form as lead gen form. And there is an important note over here. Please note that after clicking the save and send as button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking on the save and send test request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on save and send test request. And now it says waiting for webhook response, and there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that we are going to search for Meta for Developers. And after searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. Let's click on this. And this is the Meta for Developers page. Now click on More and then go to Tools. And after that, scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads R2 Debug tool. And it says, make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. And to do a test submission, we have to select our page in the form name. Let's click on this. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. But as of now, I do not have any existing lead. So I'm simply going to click on this preview form. And this is the form which I have created. Now I'm simply going to enter all the dummy details over here. After that, click on next and then submit. And here it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received our response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our response. First name is Smart, last name is User, email address is smartuser@pabblytuts.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. Let's click on this. And here we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will see three options: send template message, send text message, and custom API request. I'm simply going to select send template message as I want to send a template message which I have created already. Let's click on this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. And now to add a new connection, we have to enter all these details over here, which is token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So now let me take you to the WhatsApp Cloud API account, which I have already set up through Meta for Developers. And now go to API Setup and App Dashboard. And here you will find all the details which you need to enter in your Pabbly Connect account. Token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. Temporary access token, phone number ID is this, and the WhatsApp account ID is this. Now I'm simply going to copy all these details from here, and then I'm going to paste it here in my Pabbly Connect account. Firstly, I'm going to copy temporary access token. And after that, I'm going to do the same with phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now, as you can see, I've entered all the details over here. Now, I am simply going to click on Save. And we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Connect account. And if you also want to learn how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, then check out our related videos. Now, moving ahead, here we have to select a template name, and it says select your WhatsApp message template. So let me show you the template message which I have created. And this is the template message which I want to send to my Facebook leads, which is, hello, thank you for choosing us. We got your details. One of our team member will assist you in a while. Thanks. And as you can see over here, I have added a variable over here for name, which is dynamic in nature, and it will keep changing as per the leads are generated. And you can add variables if you want to by clicking on this add variable. So I have named my message template as new lead message. So I'm going to select new lead message over here. And as you can see, after selecting the template name, the language code and the selected template ID have been selected automatically. Now moving ahead on the recipient mobile number. So here it says enter the recipient mobile number with country code but without the plus sign, for example this. So we have to enter the country code but without the plus sign. So firstly, I'm going to enter 91, which is the country code. To enter the recipient mobile number, I'm going to use the method called as mapping. Basically, mapping means to insert the data from the previous steps. So I'm going to map the recipient mobile number, which is this. Now we have to enter this body field over here. And it says this template field is required. If you leave template field as empty, your message may not be delivered. So I'm going to map this body field also. Let's click on this. And then go to Facebook lead ads, and the first name is Smart and the last name is User. So as you can see, I have added a dummy recipient mobile number over here. So I'm going to add my actual number so that I can show you the actual WhatsApp message. After that, click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you can see over here, we have received a positive response over here. The message status is accepted. Now we'll receive a WhatsApp message within few minutes. Now let's go to our WhatsApp account and check whether we have received a message or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received a message which says, "Hello smart user, thank you for choosing us. We got your details. One of our team members will assist you in a while. Thanks." And as you can see over here, the variable have been also changed. And it means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our WhatsApp Cloud API. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. So we have successfully set up our trigger and action application, and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is WhatsApp Cloud API and my action event is send template message. And if you also want to send a WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads, then simply follow this two-step workflow. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.